Alright, so we're going to assemble the connecting rod to the piston bushing, and then assemble the piston bushing to the piston. And with the nylon insulator, nylon washer, and screw, we are going to assemble it to the balancer of the Stirling engine. So the first thing we need to do is connect the connecting rod hole to the nubs of the piston bushing. So inside the piston bushing there are two nubs, and they're closer to the top of the piston bushing, and that's the side you want to put the connecting rod in. So what you'll do is you'll put your thumb in the slot like that and spread those nubs apart, and then put in the connecting rod into those nubs there. Alright, and that should dangle fairly freely. And once that's on, you can put the piston bushing into the piston. So you may have to squeeze it in and then push it down till it meets the bottom, just like that. And now that that's on, you can put the insulator into the back side of the connecting rod in the hole of the top, and put the screw through the washer, and then put the screw through the insulator. So now that that is done, you can inspect the piston to ensure that there's no dust on it. Sometimes dust gets in those grooves, and you want to make sure it's also oil-free. This is an oil-free connection between the piston and the power cylinder. So we'll drop the piston into the power cylinder, just like that, and then we'll put the screw into the tapped hole on the face of the balancing hub. And we'll screw this in by hand, and this will be a hand-tight connection right here. You don't actually need to use the Allen key for that. And so that is how it fits together.